Hello, today we are going to learn things on Arduino. First, we learn how to use a device called LDR, light dependent resistor, to sense the intensity of light, and according to that intensity we will flash and light and LED light emitting diode according to a certain rate. And secondly, we will learn how to use a keypad on Arduino. So how does it work? First, let's say we plug our Arduino as it is, and then we take the code, which here is this one, RDR like that I've written already, so I don't need to write it one more time. So, and then I just compile it and upload it on my board. Okay, so what you guys are seeing here is the light flashing, and it's flashing in a rate that it's in function with the RDR, the LDR. I mean, this LED is flashing according to the intensity of light that the LDR is receiving. So it's actually a very simple secret. I can show you guys here. So that's what the secret look like. So here this is a speaker, because later on we are going to see how to add a speaker to how to make a speaker sound according to the rate of according to the intensity of light, in a rate according to the intensity of light. Okay, so let's proceed. We are going to plug our speaker on the same pin. So I plug it here on pin 13. Okay. Sorry, you guys can see. All right, so okay, so the sound is produced according to the intensity of light. It means if I reduce the intensity of light by putting my hand here, the sound is produced and is sounding faster, in a faster rate. If I remove, the rate is low. Same, if I switch off the light, the rate of the sound and the rate of the blinking is faster. If I switch on, the rate is lower. So that's it. Very simple experiment. You guys can try at home. Okay, now we are going to learn how to use a keypad. This is a 4x3 matrix keypad. Why 4x3? Because we have 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have 3 columns, 1, 2, 3. So 4 lines for the 4 rows and 3 lines for the 3 columns. And then keypad and keyboard use techniques called row scanning, and the code that implement that technique, it's here. I've already written it for you guys. So that's it, row scanning. So that's the code basically, and anyone wants this code, I will just paste it on my wall and you guys can copy. It's just there, it's out there. So, and we compile it again. Oh, I forgot to lock my Arduino. You guys notice it's still using the code of the previous experiment. That's why you can hear the sound. So I compile the code, and then I upload. Okay. So it means it has received the, the, the new code. Okay. How are we going to know that our keypad works? Nice question. We are going to use a function of the Arduino IDE called serial monitor. The serial monitor can actually print the data sent from Arduino board. So it means if I press key 1, Arduino will write 1. Okay, something might be wrong. Okay, so let's say I press 1. Okay. Okay. Let's do it one more time. Okay. So I press 1. Okay, there. And then you guys can see 1. I press 2. You can see 2. I press 5. Or I press 0. Or I press star. Or the dash. So quite nice and quite simple. So, and this is the concept of any keyboard or any keyboard that you guys know. So you can see that with Arduino there are so many things that we can do. So I hope those experiments have triggered the envy to learn more on Arduino. Thank you for watching, and see you for the next.